Hi, welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. This is Domino Pizza and South Pattaya Road. Walking 10 minutes down there is Walking Street and Pattaya Beach, and they have all the market right here. And then on this side they have the McDonald's and Starbucks, and then Texas chicken. So we're gonna go inside here and try some Domino Pizza. Look like they got special 199 baht. And now on here they have street foods also. We're gonna try the Domino. Look like they have 199 baht right there. Sawadee krap. Where's the menu? They got the 199 baht, huh? That's the medium 199 baht. Oh, that's 199 baht. Medium. Oh, which one have everything? Which one have? Maybe I try the deluxe then. Got the deluxe. This one is Hawaii. Maybe I try the Hawaii. Maybe try the. Which one is the super baganza? You have the super baganza? No, with everything. Oh, give me the extra baganza. You have medium or no? Medium size. Medium size 139. Okay, and then thin, yeah. And eat here, and one Pepsi, one cola. So total is so it's 139. Oh, it's on discount. Usually 325. Actually, yeah, usually 365. Wow, half price. Really good price now. Good time to eat food in Thailand. Oh, a lot of discount. Everywhere is discount. 199 baht, 139 baht. Oh, usually 365 baht. So really good price. This is Domino. Hello, Sawadee krap, my friend. Sawadee krap. I'm first time eating Domino's here, so I want to try. We got the all kind of that's the best about in Thailand. They put all kind of stuff in there, like shrimp and everything. It's just for local menus. Yeah, we'll try the medium pizza. Kapung krap. Yeah, this is your tip right here. Tip for you. For you. Kapung krap. So we're gonna sit here and wait for the. While we're waiting, we just looked at the menus here. So we got the express. They got all the local style stuff like that. So there's all the they have the regular, and they have the local flavors, whatever here. So. They order shrimp. That's a thing about Thailand and Asia. They put all kind of stuff in there. And here they have all the chicken. So they have good price, half price. 99 baht, usually 128 baht. They have all the wings and everything here. So welcome to Domino's in Pattaya, Thailand.